Today, we're making pumpkin protein muffins.
This is a great on-the-go snack or breakfast that you and the kids are gonna enjoy.
Well, let's get to it.
Let's do it.
Okay. These pumpkin protein muffins have about 75% less sugar than the ones you'll find in the grocery store.
And who doesn't love pumpkin?
I love pumpkin.
Me too. For this recipe and so many more, check out healthystepsnutrition.com.